So, you want to install your Traxxas TRX4M Injora 10mm Hex Extensions? Well then congrats, this video is for you. As you can see, the front driver's side already has the extension. You could see there's a big difference between the right and the left side. So what are we waiting for? More comparison footage at the end. Let's get started with the installation. Begin with removing your wheel. Now, we're going to remove the original hex. I recommend you use some tweezers or pliers to remove it. After that, get your new hex extension and place it where the previous one was. Make sure to align it with the little pins it has. Once you've got it right, you will hear a soft click sound. Now install your wheel back in and repeat the same steps for all the wheels. This was before, when only the front driver's side had the extension. And after, all the wheels have the extensions now. This is the difference between both hexes.